Yeah, very cool looking. So this guy's smart. He's hanging around because this right here is my chicken coop. So yeah, I've got chicken feed in here. I wouldn't be surprised if... Yep, that lid's open. And there is mice. None jumping around. And they're not jumping around because that guy's up there watching for them. I'll leave you alone, buddy. Get those mice for us. Thanks. We're going to name you. Think of a name for an Australian Boobook owl. Think of something clever, people. He is gorgeous. Wish my camera was a bit better. Gorgeous bird.